Hi, hi friends. In this video, we will learn about Python lists. What are Python lists? So, you can say that Python list is a group of items. So here, in this example, we have tried to create a list of zoo. So in that, we have provided items like monkey, lion, cow, lion. So from this example, we can say that like list is an ordered changeable and it allows duplicate. So you can see that here we have got lion and again we have got lion, so duplicates are allowed in list. Here it is lion and again here it is lion, so we can say lists allow duplicates, so it's allowing the duplicate. So this is the feature of lists. So in next video we will learn more about lists. We will see more examples of list. Thank you.